Disclaimer, this video contains objects which may resemble firearms, but they're not actual firearms, they're air guns. So, without further ado, enjoy the video.
Hello everybody, it's Azza with much less hair. I got a haircut over quarantine, and we are back with another video, and who's a special guest?
What?
SpicierBubble66. Now today we're going to be doing some amateur competition shooting, so without further ado, let's get straight into this. Okay, so first round, Finley is going to do this. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Empty. Right, so from the looks of that you hit 2. So you have to score 2. My god, negligent discharge. Be careful.
Now it's Aaron's go.
Nice one. Let's hope I hit more. No disrespect. Off to a great start already, great.
Go on.
3, maybe.
3.
If I'm lucky, or 2. 2 are still swaying, so I think I'm going to give myself 2.
Okay.
And so now it's round 2. We're going to have Finley hit the clock, hopefully. See how many times you can hit the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Nice one.
And now it's Aaron's go.
Nice one, right. Right, miss already. Right, miss already. 1, yay!
Empty. 3.
Ah!
Right, so I won. Happily.
Right, so round 3 we are using the Remington Express rifle to plink with the plinkers, the spinners. Right, so this time Finley's going to have his go, and so it's 3 shots each. Right.
Ready?
Ready? Hit. Let's hit 1.
I'm going for bottom ones now.
Nice one. Ah. This one's powerful as it flattens the pellets. You can't reuse them because they're just flat. Flat husks of what they once were. This got poetic very quickly.
Right, last shot.
Last shot, make it count. Ah. So 1. 1 plink.
Right, it's Aaron's go. I hit 1.
You hit 1. Hopefully I hit 2.
I shake your hands. Right.
Hopefully I hit 1, no.
Ready?
Was that a hit? I heard a ping.
Yeah, I heard a ping as well, but I don't know if it ricocheted off the wood.
I don't know.
If it was a ricochet shot, then that was pretty good.
If there, I saw some chips of wood, so I'm not going to count that for myself.
Yeah.
Here's someone coughing their guts up, baby. Rip. One.
And Aaron's last shot.
My final shot. Make it count! Bollocks.
So how many was that?
1, so we both tied.
Alright.
Right, Finley's final go in the final round. He must hit that clock with the rifle.
Not that difficult.
Let's do this. 3 shots again. 1.
You went through the clock.
What? No, just go again. I know it doesn't go through the clock. We've shot the clock before.
Okay.
Oh, he did it.
Yeah, sometimes it's a pain.
Yeah, I know. It's worth it for the power.
Oh, smoking.
Oh god. Power. Unlimited power. Hits. So that's 2.
One keeps vibrating
I'm-
every single time I shoot.
I get the sense we're going to draw on this one as well.
It's not difficult, is it?
No. Nice gun. This is my rifle. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Nice one. That is 3. You hit 3.
Aaron's go. See how many can hit? Probably 3.
Hopefully 3. Yep.
Yeah. Barrel's starting to smoke
Oh,
after a
wow.
couple of shots now, so
My plaster picked up the
it's quite handy.
dust that gets picked off of that
Yeah.
final shot.
Dust or
makes it
rust. Okay. And last shot. Oh, what a surprise! 3 hits.
count. 3 hits.
Right. So that's your.
Right, so tallying up the counts, I'm pretty sure you came out ahead. So you win.
Yeah, right. I'm not too upset about that.
Here's your winner.
Alright.
And of course the winner gets the crown.
What?
The winner gets the crown.
What is it?
There we go.
Please.
It's the soldier from TF2.
But it's massive.
Yeah, I know it's massive. That's the thing about those helmets, they're one size fits all. Anyway guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed this fairly small return to camera filming. Very, very special thanks to Finn. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.